What's up, guys? It's Javinia and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute flipped bob, very 90s inspired, very retro, very cute. So today's video is coming courtesy of Julia Hair. So shout out to them or whatever. They sent me over this Brazilian straight wig in 14 inches. And later on in the video, of course, I am gonna cut it, but you want to start off with the longer inch just so you can get it to the length you want, if that makes sense. If you start off short, you have nowhere to go. If you get it a little longer, you can play with it. So what you guys see me doing right here is adding my Fenty Beauty foundation and my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder onto my ratchet looking ball cap and onto the lace, just because I didn't bleach it or anything, and this is just gonna help with me making it look like scalp. And then, you know, I'm just gonna throw that thing on. Most of the steps for this hairstyle are pretty easy or self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna be coming on here and popping up when I need to, but for the most part I really just want to let y'all relax and sit back and watch. So enjoy. Okay. Now I'm just going to take the portion of the hair that we're using for the bangs and clip that thing back. And then I'm going to cut the lace, and really all we're focusing on is the right side, the part where the part is. No, seriously. Cause that side is the only part that's gonna be visible. The side where you're doing your bang is literally gonna be covered by your bangs. So you really don't have to lay it down and make it look all slayed or whatever. But we are gonna focus on getting this side laid down and getting it nice and melted or whatever. So I'm using my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm still trying to get used to this glue. You guys know that I use my Gorilla Snot glue a lot, but this glue is growing on me. I'm still trying to figure out how to work it, but it is definitely worth the money. It keeps my wigs on all day, honey, okay? All day. So what you guys see me doing right here is just using my hands to pull out some hairs just to make that hairline a little bit thinner. And I honestly should have used some tweezers, but for the life of me, I could not find my tweezers that I use to pluck my wigs. I don't know where it is. And then if you did notice in the earlier clips, there is a little hole in the lace on this side because the tweezers that I was using, I had no business using them. They were so pointy, and this lace is so thin. and I'm so heavy-handed. It was just not a good mix, okay? And now I'm laying down my baby hairs, y'all. I'm trying to get better. Y'all know I don't like doing them, but they're so cute, okay? And they hide the lace so well, and I just don't want to be bad at stuff, okay? So I'm trying, and I'm just laying them down with Eco Styler Gel because Eco Styler Gel does not lift my lace, and it lays my edges down pretty well. So yeah. And for the most part, guys, this wig was pretty bomb, okay? Like I said before, I wasn't expecting the lace to be as thin as it was. So, of course, try to use a light hand, or, you know, just be careful when you are doing any type of work on this wig. It did say on the website that it was a transparent lace wig. And of course, it's not gonna be like transparent lace like how the $1,000 wigs are, you know, but for the most part, it was very easy for me to blend this lace and get it to lay down and get it to match my skin tone. So that was great. No shedding, no tangling. It was very silky. It was just so cute. It moved great, and it was the perfect hair to do this hairstyle with because it had so much body and just so much movement, honey. Okay. And now I'm just using my favorite mousse, the Nairobi mousse, to just place the hair and get it to lay where I want it to lay before I start doing any type of cutting or anything. And let me tell y'all, I felt very Aaliyah, okay? Very dust yourself off and try again, okay, with this long hairstyle, with this long bob, like before cutting it or anything. So you really could leave it like this. It was a very cute style. But if you just want to take it an extra step, you know, just do you. And the Got to Be Free Spray is what's going to keep this bang in place and keep it smooth and in a nice swoop shape. So don't be afraid to go in with your hairspray. Of course, you don't have to use Got to Be. You can use any type of holding spray that's just going to keep that bang in place. Alright guys, now for cutting, I'm using these ratchet home scissors, okay? But if you're gonna do this, please don't be like me. Please just go to the beauty supply and get you some cutting scissors for like, I don't even know, it has to be less than $5. Okay, so do as I say, not as I do. But it was pretty easy. I just pulled the hair into the front, gathered it all up, and just cut very slowly in a straight line so that it would be blunt. And I tried to keep it as blunt as possible because I wanted the flips to kind of be the same length. I didn't want them all over the place. So yeah, guys. And you will see that I did mess up and cut this side a little shorter than I was supposed to, and I got scared because I was thinking that, okay girl, you finna end up like chopping up this whole wig and looking crazy. But we got it right, okay? We got it right. We got it even, or at least, you know, I got it even enough to not look crazy, all right? Period. And now if you want to, you can definitely stop right here. You can leave it straight, leave it short and cute. Okay, this was a look. Okay, period. She was cute. She was lit. But if you're extra like me and you want to just go that extra step, I'm just gonna pin all my hair back in a little ponytail and then spray some more got to be glue spray all over that bang and all over my edges. Like I said, do not be scared to go in with that spray. Okay, it's gonna be your best friend with a hairstyle like this. And then I'm gonna take my edge scarf just to make sure that everything is laid down and just flat to my head. And now for the most important part and definitely the easiest part of this whole hairstyle. We're going to be doing these flips, honey. Okay, and it's the easiest because literally everybody knows how to use a flat iron and everybody knows how to bump their hair. Okay, girl. But instead of going inward, you're just going to go outward. And literally, guys, this hairstyle came out so much cuter than I expected it to be. It was such a quick and cute style. It was just so lit, okay? And that is it for this video, guys. I will make sure to leave the links and the details to everything in this video in the description box, as well, of course, the links to these clips, okay? Because I got them off Amazon in a pack of like 12 for $9, and people are really on Beyonce's internet trying to charge $12.99 for these clips, okay? And I'm not having it. All right, so I got you guys. Of course, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.